my company SORAMITSU works with a couple of central banks in Southeast Asia, and we built a system in Cambodia that is a retail and wholesale CBDC. And this is a very interesting topic because wholesale CBDCs have some good advantages. I mean, it's similar to RTGS systems in a way, but it does allow you to incorporate central bank money in computer programs, and that can make things like PPP, DPP a little bit more efficient. Retail is interesting because if you do it in the wrong way, you could actually open up current accounts at the central bank to everyone in the country, and then there would be no need for a banking system anymore, which is quite an interesting topic. And if you read the publications put out by the BIS, they really are very interested in this area as well, and programmable money. And one central bank I talked to as well, they like the concept of CBDC because of programmable money, because specifically for allocation of loans, once a commercial bank gets a plan from the central bank, it's kind of a smaller country, so they don't have good control. Then the commercial bank typically just uses the money not as planned, but like for some kind of asset investments just to make more money. And this is a problem that the regulator has trouble enforcing. So if you do have something like a programmable CBDC, you can of course control how this money is allocated. So, which is a double-edged sword in many ways, yeah.